Now let's talk about connecting boards on Monday.com. So in Monday.com, you can connect boards to streamline your workflow and ensure that information flows seamlessly between different parts of your project. So this feature will allow you to link related boards, share data, and automate process between them. So connecting boards can help you manage complex projects and keep everyone on the same page. So let's clean up first, a review in here so that it would be easier for us to connect some boards. So you have actually the collapse option in here so that you won't be able to see that specific columns. So what we'll need to do in here first is to add in a board that we could try to connect. So let's try to do that one first. So simply click on add button in here. Then right after, click onto new board or choose from template. So let's choose a template first. So let's try this template that I've seen earlier. So let's search contact in here. Just need to scroll down, and this is the board that we're going to use as an example. So let's click onto that template. You can see the name in here, context, and the details for this. And let's just simply click onto use template. So right after create it, you could see that one here onto the contact. So let's head back to the board that we have earlier. So let's go to board one, and for you to be able to connect this board one to another board, let's simply click onto this plus button onto the add column. So right after you click onto this, you'd be able to see the different options that it offers. So let's click onto connect boards in here so that we could proceed. So right after connecting this, you'd be able to connect this board to other boards so you could easily view and edit items from any board you choose. So right after, it will give you an option to select the board that you want to connect, and let's click onto that, and let's connect it to the board that we created earlier from the templates, which is contact. So what we'll need to do right after is we'll just zoom this one out. So there is also an option in here for you to create a two-way connection. So a new column will be added on each of the selected boards, and items connected in one board will get automatically connected on the other board as well. So if you want to use this, you could simply click onto that one in here. You could also unselect it if you don't like it. And if you want to connect it already, just click on to connect boards in here. Right after, you'll see that board is connected successfully. Then you'll have the option, or you can now visualize data from your connected boards with mirror column. So the mirror column will help you reflect information from multiple boards, creating more visibility and control. So you could actually do this later. And if you want to do this as well, just click on create a mirror column. So as you can see, we have already the mirror column in here. Let's zoom in a little bit. And for you to be able to update it, just hover onto this one out and click these three dots in here, and you'll have the settings. And let's customize mirror column, and then you could show summary of all labels or what's done. So let's simply click onto all labels in here, and then right after, you should be able to see some summary. So since we don't have any items onto the item details in here, we won't have any summary. But if you have some details or data onto this, then you'd be able to see it here onto the mirror. So you could also repeat the same process onto other boards in here to connect it with other boards. So by connecting boards in Monday.com, you can actually create a network of information that simplifies project management and ensures data consistency across your organization. And that's how you connect boards on Monday.com.